Hello everyone, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Stanley Family TV. Today video we want to cook Nigeria stew. So this video is all about I want to surprise my husband. My husband is at work. I want to surprise him and the colleague. So I'm going to give him food at work today. I don't want him to buy food. So this is all I have for the stew. I have a beef, I have turkey, I have cow leg, I have shaki. Then I have my rice, pepper, curry powder, aroma, and the tomato sauce, groundnut oil, onions. So everything is here. As you can see, they are all here. So let's get started. So the meat is already in the pot. And this is the ishaki. Why I'm going to use this ishaki, why I'm going to parboil it a little bit before I add it to the rest of the meat, is that I don't like sometimes I don't like the smell. So I want to parboil it. I've already washed it before. I want to parboil it before I will add it to the rest of the meat. So this is the chicken cube. This one is a Maggi, is Italian Maggi, and this one is chicken cube. So we just, because I like my chicken to be, to taste very nice. So now we put our thyme. For aroma. This is the time I did not remember to introduce it to you guys. I forgot. So if you know me, I don't like eating too much meat, but because I am taking it to my husband, that's why I have a lot of meat in the pot. This is my salt for taste. Onions. I don't like using too much onions because after all, not be see I want to eat the onions. Now the frying now be the main place for the onions. You see it, guys. Then we on our doubt. So we are going to cover it up, as you can see. And the shaki is already parboiling. So now I will slice the onions behind the camera and the pepper. See, you can see how it looks like. These are the things that I don't want in my food. So I will watch it again now. So as you can see, I have washed the ishaki. You see how it looks like. It looks very beautiful. Then I will transfer it to the pot. So on a normal time, guys, I don't like too much meat, but because I am taking it to my husband, that's why you see a lot of meat in this pot. So now I fried the turkey, but the beef I am not going to fry. This I'm going to put it in the stew. I have my pot already in the pot. I've opened the tomatoes, blended onions and pepper. Then we are about to put the tomatoes. The turkey that I have fried. You see the groundnut oil, the one that I used to fry the turkey. Guys, we have egg here, so I would like to put egg. Sorry that I did not show you guys earlier. Chili cube. And I have washed my hand already, guys. Curry. I don't want to put salt because there is salt already from the meat that I parboiled. Meat. So this is all the meat. We still have our egg. It's not yet ready. This is what we call sobobo stew. So this one our egg. Wow. Guys, we still need the stew. I want to make the stew day more thicker. You see what we got here. All the assorted, all of them are here. The stew is ready, guys. It's ready, as you can see. And we are parboiling our rice. See? So grab your copy, guys. Come and enjoy with us. I have put my salt and a little bit of groundnut oil behind the camera. So the rice is ready. You see? You see the rice and stew.